Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Here's our comprehensive review of the HoneyBook booking platform. For more resources and direct links to the product, be sure to explore the description below. HoneyBook is a comprehensive client management and booking platform designed specifically for freelancers, small business owners, and creative professionals. It simplifies your workflow by integrating scheduling, client communication, and project management into a single, user-friendly interface. A key strength of HoneyBook is its ability to manage the entire client lifecycle, from initial contact to final payment. The platform provides tools to create personalized booking pages, send proposals, and automate contracts and invoicing. This makes it particularly well-suited for service-based businesses such as photographers, event planners, designers, and consultants. HoneyBook's scheduling feature seamlessly integrates with the platform, enabling clients to book appointments or consultations directly through your customized booking page. It synchronizes with popular calendars like Google Calendar, ensuring your availability is always current. You can also customize time slots and incorporate buffers between appointments to optimize your workflow. HoneyBook's branding features offer extensive customization options, allowing you to create a professional and consistent client experience. You can design branded documents, invoices, and email templates that reflect your brand identity, leaving a polished and memorable impression. Automation is another powerful aspect of HoneyBook. You can establish automated workflows to manage recurring tasks, such as sending reminders, follow-up messages, or onboarding emails. This not only saves you valuable time but also ensures a consistent client experience. Payment processing is integrated directly within the platform, featuring integrations with major payment gateways like Stripe. Clients can securely pay invoices online, and you can implement payment plans for larger projects. HoneyBook also provides payment tracking, simplifying financial management and maintaining transparency. While HoneyBook offers a robust suite of features, its benefits are most pronounced for small businesses and solopreneurs. Larger organizations with more complex workflows might find its functionality somewhat limiting. In conclusion, HoneyBook is an excellent option for professionals looking for a comprehensive platform to manage bookings, projects, and client relationships. For a deeper dive, check out the links provided in the description below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have, so leave a comment below.